Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Open Chrome and press Ctrl plus Shift plus I on Windows or CMD plus Option plus I on Mac. This opens Chrome DevTools where you run Lighthouse audits. Select the Lighthouse panel inside DevTools to access audit controls and options. If you do not see the panel, click the double chevrons and find Lighthouse in the list. Use the three dots menu to dock DevTools or open a fresh window for testing. Docking changes viewport size and can affect results, so choose consistently. Choose the categories you want to audit, like performance, accessibility, and SEO. Click Performance to reveal options for CPU and network throttling during the audit run. Select device type. Mobile simulates network and CPU throttling for realistic results. If you test authenticated pages, enable clear storage and sign in before running. Set throttling and clear storage options when testing login pages or cached content. Keep a consistent baseline and document settings for reproducible comparisons across runs. Run the audit and wait. A full report generates with scores and diagnostic details. The report shows numeric scores for each category and lists opportunities to improve load time. Export the report as HTML or JSON to share or to run programmatic comparisons. Use the performance film strip and trace to find slow resource timings and long tasks. Focus on opportunities and diagnostics to prioritize fixes and measure improvements. Rerun audits after changes and compare scores to confirm measurable performance gains.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.